akan ke fin lap ya kata.
If we read about Achan,
Ha Joshua nong benyo ukalalong unong penjot ya la ka jong ke yeng ha kata ka pop.
he as well destroyed his own family, his own
Ukam la ban
people.
su tu.
He could not
Nama
understand.
kalong kutek kum kacing pang yang long kudum su tu ta ka pop.
Just like leprosy, he could not understand.
Kalong kum juru ka cingim chong apa chong pi.
Similarly, in your life and
Kala
my
judan
life,
ke cing le bangiwan ra ya ke cing jot ken.
there were things we have done that brought destruction.
But kumbau ni ubriu nganong ipi.
Just like this leper
Dem no ya la dia kemat chong
who
tera.
knelt down before the Lord,
Tera ngatip la da memon.
saying, Lord, I know if you will.
Ban ngastenat bahang ni cekam.
And I'm so happy to know
Jisu
this.
og ngamon.
Jesus said, I will.
Ukenere ka ketibat ukta.
He stretched out his hand and touched.
Kan mau hangani ka singi.
Remember this night.
Uniu ju Jisu dan hangani ka jaga.
The same Jesus is in this
Ban
place
keta yang apa dia pi.
to touch you and I.
Kita uniu briu em ngai masin keta utrai.
I'm sure this man, as soon as he was touched by the Lord,
Kacing penkia kan jaman sin kalawan hau.
healing in the Spirit came upon
Pasti
him.
sin lawan kacing penkia kan jaman sin.
And once there is healing in the Spirit,
Kam slem kacing penkia kan jado.